Carnegie Mellon Robotics Academy's virtual robotics curricula are designed to teach computational thinking in classroom and informal education spaces without the requirement of physical robots. Research has shown students who engage in our curriculum complete lessons 30% faster than students only using physical platforms. Teachers benefit from lower hardware expenses and issues while gaining flexibility only internet-based virtual platform can provide. Our virtual robotics curriculum consists of coding and computational thinking with Virtual Spike Prime, coding and computational thinking with ViceBot, and RoboCamp with Virtual Spike Prime. Coding and computational thinking with Virtual Spike Prime gives students access to over 75 programmable environments within 8 units. This curriculum includes videos, animations, step-by-step lessons, and activities in real-world-based contexts. Robotics educators that use form factors such as Vex, Arduino, Cosmo, or Vector will find productive overlap in the program and concepts of our coding and computational thinking with ViceBot, a brand new bot designed by our team lovingly dubbed Vice. Vice packs a wide variety of sensors including touch, color, distance, and gyro to detect its environment, and motors including a drivetrain, arm, and claw to navigate its environment and manipulate objects. Does your after-school program or day camp want to explore robotics? RoboCamp with Virtual Spike Prime is an informal curriculum that teaches basic programming, proportional mathematics, robotics, and other STEM concepts at an introductory level. RoboCamp is designed with carefully scaffolded virtual activities appropriate for both formal and informal education settings. All of the activities and challenges use a custom Virtual Spike Prime build in a space-like environment. As students make progress through any of these courses, the CS-STEM network ensures that the students are presented with the corresponding instructions, virtual environment, and programming interface. The CS-STEM network automatically saves student code progress with each activity so that they never lose it, and teachers never have to track it down. For more information on these products, check out these links.